Hey there, it's Gary Grant, also known as the Garage Guy. I'm sitting here in this week's tester, which is a 2019 Porsche Cayenne S. Absolutely fantastic SUV if you want a Porsche, but you also need to cart the family around. You really got to have a look at a Cayenne. There's just no question. As you can tell, it's pouring rain. I'm a little bit on the wet side because I just got back from the mailbox, and I thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing because apparently that's what the kids do these days. Actually, I think that trend might be gone, but I'm doing it anyway. I've just picked up something really cool that was sent to me as a review from the folks at Lego. Why are they sending me Lego? Because, well, you know what? It's Father's Day. So, or Father's Day is coming up in a couple of days, and chances are, if you're anything like my family, you haven't done any shopping yet, so you need to get off your butt and go do some shopping. So, I'm going to say, head to Amazon or head to your local toy store or whatever, and shoot to the Lego aisle, because if your dad's anything like me, I like kid stuff that's automotive related. All the various, we know I like Hot Wheels and all of those things, but I also like Lego. So this thing, I mean, like a lot of you, I've been playing with Lego. I don't always play with it now, but I've been playing with Lego since I was maybe 4 or 5 years old. Little guy stuff. Now I'm a big guy. And check this out. They've come so far. They've got the new Speed Champions series. This particular one is a McLaren Senna, and check it out. I mean, it's got 209 pieces. It's for 7 years and up, but we're not talking about 7-year-olds. We're talking about Dad. It